Alright guys, got a 2000 Chevy Tahoe. We're gonna be replacing the air filter which is in here. Alright guys, you should be replacing this filter like every 10,000 miles. Alright, it's gonna save you a little bit of gas. It's gonna pay itself. Alright, this thing is probably like 12-13 bucks, probably less. There's a part number PA5314 PTC brand. Alright, so to remove this cabin filter, remove this air filter housing to replace the filter inside, you're gonna need something similar to this. I have a Phillip head screw right there with my little electric gun to make my life easy. So this one has a screw here, screw back there, screw over there, and a screw over here. So it's 4 screws. The thing lifts up. You take out the filter and you put the new filter in. Simple as that. And let's do it together so you can see what I'm exactly doing or do, okay? Guys, what we're gonna do is remove this, remove the screw all the way back over here. It's the same thing looking like this. There's one on this side, the 4 screws that I showed you, alright? If you have a Suburban, different, alright? The new ones are different, but the old ones are pretty much the same. You can lift this guy up and pull off this filter, and there's the filter, guys. It looks pretty old, so let's get the new filter. Nice and fresh filter here, guys. Make sure the housing in there is not dirty. This one is like fresh looking down. There's no leaves. If you have leaves and stuff inside, remove them, guys. All right, so let me get this filter to go in there. It's giving me a little bit of hard time, but no problem. I'm gonna get this little guy in there. There you go. All right, guys, after that, make sure the housing is sitting properly where it's supposed to sit. Right? Nice and flush. You should not have to struggle with it. Tighten this little guy. Tighten that little guy. This little guy. And that little guy. Bada bing, bada boom. Job is complete, guys. If you have any questions, please send me a message. And that's how you change the air filter on a Chevy Tahoe. Alright, this is a 2000 model. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. And I will see you on the next one.